Aw, snap. Guess what time it is? Time to get bad and bougie. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Big thank you to one of our longtime friends, baby. This is gonna hurt your pockets, okay? But they are a tried and true company. Hey, baby, get ready for a tax time splurge, because we about to get into some her giving hair. Ow. Baby, listen. First and foremost, I'm gonna address something. Let me address the elephant in the room. Yes, I need a feel. Yes, I got a broken finger. Shut up, mind your business. Don't act like you ain't never been there before.
Man, I tell them me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see these girls them go down. Ooh-wee, Batman on the show now. Oh yeah, see these girls them go down. Ooh-wee, and a Batman run the show. And a Batman run the show now. Yeah. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Yeah. Man figure, me no run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Girls, them a coming over. Batman, me, I wanna lover. Girl, come, them a be my lover. Batman, me, I never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me, I never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a try my time. Man, I telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Batman on the road. See these girls, them go down. Original Batman. One time. He's Budsy, baby. VQs, mix and mix it,
Okay, y'all refresh my memory, because I could have swore Halle Berry had something like this in the 2000s. Or maybe like the late 90s. One of them eras, okay? Because if she didn't, baby, she should have. Because this right here is giving me all natural goodness. Listen, Her Giving Hair, they have always come through with their units. These are top quality wigs. So please understand, they break the bank for a reason, okay? If you do decide to purchase this unit, this is going to be an investment, but this is going to be an investment that is going to last you time and time again. I have never had any issues with shedding, tangling, matting, any type of issues with their units. They do pre-bleach the knots on their units, so it's going to give you a scalp-like appearance, baby. And she is giving scalp 4 days. Now this is a closure unit. It is not a ear to ear or a 13x5 or 13x6 unit. So with that being said, you are not going to have a lot of coverage on the side, sis. Now they do have a thick piece of track going right here. I do appreciate that it's actually black, so you can go in and you can leave out some hair your own hair, or you can go in with some makeup, as I've shown you guys time and time again, and you can color this part in with some mascara just to make it look a little bit more natural. However, since I have this in front of it, it's not really a big deal for me. Now, if you're doing a side part, keep that in consideration, sis. And listen, one time for edges that match the wig, we gotta do a round of applause. Got it, baby. I think we all are familiar with the kinky 4C edge craze. All of these hair companies have been on, and they have tried to have us in a chokehold, and we've been like, rewind that back, sis. So this go around, the edges match the rest of the wig, and I'm pleasantly pleased. So I was able to keep them as natural as possible. I went through with the Curl Boss, and I just kind of, you know, just brushed it through really quickly, and I let it dry overnight as well as the rest of the wig. And in the morning now, I was able to just kind of push them into the hairline. Now, with these curly edge units, for me, a lot of times you get that harsh line of demarcation, or whatever you want to call it, and you can kind of see it right here where the edges start and the hairline ends, and that is the line I'm talking about. So for me, I love a messy hairline. I would just go through with a little bit of this gel on my rat tail comb, and I would just push these into the hairline just to kind of break up that line, and you can already tell a difference. Hello, baby. Hello. So I would definitely go through the rest of this unit, and I could do that now and just kind of break it up a little bit so it doesn't look super perfect, and it has kind of that lived-in look. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what we want, baby. We want scalp in a natural dimension. And that is definitely what this is giving me. I'll fix this one just a little bit right here. And voila, baby. She is giving you hair line. So, yeah. Now, the curls did take a full day to dry. I did have this hung upside down in front of my fan, and it did take a full day to dry. And the curls are just so popping, baby. And I finger twirl the bottom just to give it a little bit more definition. So it kind of had that curly Q at the bottom. Now, I did leave a few, if I can point them out, so you can kind of get a comparison. So this is what it looks like right here without the definition. Not too bad, right? But this is what it looks like once you finger twirl it in your hand. And you can kind of see the definition, and you can definitely see the difference. So I prefer the curly definition at the bottom, but hey, if you want to do this side and you want to just leave it a little bit more au naturel, you definitely can. Yeah, so I think she is cute. Her soul is glowing, and these curls are popping. So big thank you to Her Given Hair for sending out the unit. Definitely appreciate it. If you're interested in checking out this unit, hit up the description box down below. I'll also have a direct link to their website as well. Big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Ring the bell so you are notified of all post notifications. Drop me a comment down below, and of course subscribe to the channel, baby. Share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. And most importantly, take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. Giveaway time. Is that you, player? Yes, it is. The rules are very simple for this. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment bragging about yourself. What's something you did this year or even 2023 that you are proud of? If you want to be entered twice, go ahead and respond to a comment, and the giveaway will be open for 1 week. Good luck to you all.